What's up, dancers? This video is an excerpt from a brand new class that I have here in my membership on YouTube. If you want to take this full class, be sure to hit the join button or the link in the description to see this class and all the classes I have available. Let's do it!
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
Something divine in you. So let it whip it, baby. Try. Let's whip it right. Let's whip it, baby. Whip it all night. Let you trip. Try. Come on, let it whip. Come on, whip. Come on, whip. Let's whip it, baby. Let's whip it right. Let's whip it, baby. Whip it all night. Come on, whip. Come on, whip. There is no time to lose.
What's up, dancers, and welcome to this advanced locking choreography class. The focus for this class today is going to be practicing and applying advanced pacing techniques. Now, I just put out a brand new YouTube video on these pacing techniques, and if you haven't checked that out, go ahead and click that link right there. The song we're going to dance to today is Whip It by Dazz Band. And the part of the song that we're going to begin at is at 2:57. So if you're going to be playing the song on your own, that's the time code for you. So from this point forward, I'm going to flip this video so it's easier for you to learn. So all you have to do is copy me as if you're looking into a mirror. Let's get into it. Okay, so jumping right in, the part of the music that we're going to be starting at is at the end of the bridge toward closer to the end of the song. Okay, and it's going to start on the 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now on that 5, he hits a little high note. Okay, so in the song, we're starting with the choreography. We're going to hit anything freestyle, kind of going from low to high, lifting up on the high note, and then we're going to lock on 8. Okay, and now that lock on 8 is going to be very strong and very sharp. Okay, so with the music, it goes 5, 6, 7, lock. Okay, now we begin right here from the lock. We're going to start pacing with our right hand, going 1, 2. We're going to cross 3 and then 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on the 4, we're going to open our hand and slow-mo our hand across our body. Okay, so it's like we drew a line with this cross pace here. We're going to come out here, boom, and draw it across. Okay, so from the 8, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now 4, we're going to go 5 and. Okay, we're going to pace again on the and. We're going to come out 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, that's your sequence. So let me go over that again. From the 8, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and. Come out 6. We go down and, up 7, go down and, lock on 8. Okay? So now let's try that again with just a little bit of tempo. From 5, 6, 7, lock 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Just like that. Okay? So moving forward on 8, we're going to come out of it on 1, 2. Okay, so it's kind of like a slow, it's like a quick shift from the lock, boom, lock on 2. From here, we're going to go 3 and, yeah, because he says baby. So we're going to double lock 3 and, okay? From 3 and, our feet first are going to switch. So my right leg is in front. I'm going to switch my left, switch, 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 and switch. Okay, so that's 4 switches and then an extra kick. So from the lock, it goes 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Okay, now let's add the hands. So the hands from the lock, we're gonna go down, out, up, point. Okay, boom, 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 boom. Now all together with the lock, we go lock. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Just like that, okay? So nice and slow, let's go all the way back from the 5, yeah, to the 8. So it goes 5, 6, 7, lock, 8. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. This goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Nice. So as you do this choreography, when we try with music, you'll see and hear the musicality within all the movements, yeah? So we're not just going on the counts, but we're also going on his lyrics, okay? So let me try to show that to you a little bit from the 5 again, yeah? So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4. From here he goes, and whip it right, yeah? And whip it right, boom, boom. In the back, there's a bass, boom, clap. We go, baby, whip it all night, da, da, da. Okay, so that's kind of loosely the musicality that we're going for. So let's do it one more time with a little bit more tempo, okay? From the 5, we go 5, 6, 7, lock, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Just like that. All right, let's do it one last time, and now we're gonna pick up the tempo, okay? So, we go 5 and 6, we go 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Nice, good job. Okay, so I know we went kind of fast, but this is an advanced class, okay? But even so, you can always pause the video and practice as much as you need. You can always go back, get the parts that you need, and from this point forward, we're going to do with the music. Okay? Let's get into it.
Something divine you. So let it whip it, baby. Try. Let's whip it right. Let's whip it, baby. Whip it all night. Something divine you. So let it whip it, baby. Try. Let's whip it right. Let's whip it, baby. Whip it all night.
If you enjoyed this class, then consider joining my membership to take the whole thing. Within my membership, you'll get access to my full library of classes, as well as video critiques every month for me to help you on your dance journey. Feel free to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, leave me a comment, and let me know what kind of videos you want in the future. And make sure you subscribe so you always get notified when I drop a new class, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.